Tahiti's underwater landscapes are a diver's dream, with crystal clear waters, vibrant coral reefs, and a rich variety of marine life. From shipwrecks to encounters with sharks and dolphins, the diving sites here cater to all levels, promising an extraordinary adventure beneath the waves. Organizing a diving expedition in Tahiti can be daunting. Coordinating flights, accommodations, and dive excursions can consume countless hours. Without expert guidance, the dream of diving in Tahiti's azure waters can turn into a logistical nightmare. Enter Far and Away Adventures, where we specialize in turning your Tahitian diving dreams into reality, minus the stress. Our experienced professionals save you hours of planning, ensuring a seamless and memorable experience. Say goodbye to endless internet searches. Our streamlined planning process means we handle every detail from arrival to departure, crafting a customized itinerary that suits your preferences and lets you focus on the thrill of diving. Our deep-rooted local knowledge connects you with the best dive sites, experienced guides, and top-notch equipment. We ensure your diving expedition is not only spectacular, but also safe and stress-free. Whether you're a solo traveler or part of a group, our tailored itineraries are designed to meet your unique desires. We select the perfect dive sites and arrange comfortable accommodations to create a personalized plan just for you. From flights to accommodations, Far and Away Adventures makes travel planning effortless. Our trusted partners ensure your journey to and within Tahiti is smooth, allowing you to immerse yourself in the diving experience without any worries. Safety is paramount. Our team is well-versed in safety protocols, partnering only with reputable dive operators. You can dive into Tahiti's waters with confidence, knowing that your well-being is our top priority. The heart of your expedition lies beneath the surface. With our expertly crafted itineraries, you'll explore the most captivating dive sites Tahiti has to offer. Imagine gliding through warm, clear waters, surrounded by the vibrant life of the South Pacific. Beyond diving, Tahiti invites you to unwind on its pristine beaches, enjoy local cuisine, and engage with Polynesian culture. Your expedition is more than just diving. It's a holistic adventure in one of the world's most beautiful destinations. With Far and Away Adventures, you can embark on a diving expedition in Tahiti that's as effortless as it is exhilarating. Contact us today and dive into your next adventure with confidence, knowing we've got every detail covered. Book with a French Polynesia specialist at Far and Away Adventures.